This is a trash to treasure DIY video, and this was removed from the bathroom that we were working on in our home. And as the workers were about to throw it away, I screamed at them. I'm like, no, no, no. This is definitely going to be useful for me in the future. And I decided that this will be perfect for my craft table. So I started off by cleaning it, taking it out, and spray painting the whole thing silver. When it was dry, I brought them back in and made provisions for the drawer pull. I'll be attaching the bling wrap with this transparent Loctite Power Grab construction adhesive. The thickness of the drawer in the middle is too thick for the screws, so I had to make another provision at the top for the drawer pull. I got these from Lowe's, and I'm going to be attaching them to all of the drawers. I'll be adding another detail to the drawers, and I'll be using this gold tape around the edges. I got this from Lowe's, so I'm going to spray paint it and attach it to the drawers. I'll be taking off the top of this old Walmart table that I have used for years now as my work surface. So I'm going to remove just the wood at the top and attach it to the vanities. I'll attach this with corner braces to the vanities. I'm also going to be having mirrors on top of this, so you guys can see what it looks like with or without mirrors, and you can choose whichever one you prefer to suit the area where the vanity is going to be kept. I covered this part here. Now this is what it looks like. I later on changed the moldings that I put by the side that are in silver to gold. It took me a few hours to get this done, and I'm so pleased with the results. What I have here, without the mirrors on top, of course, is going to be for my craft table. And imagine what it's going to look like in a bathroom. It will look so pretty. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.